हेलो गाइस, अगर आपको if you have facing the Valorant transaction has been declined problem, so watch and in this video I give the total solution how can you fix the issue or problem. Valorant purchase fail error happen usually due to the server issue on the game's end or due to a sometime payment portal issue. Sometime games server not working rightly, so we can face the transaction has been declined problem. Or second case, it is due to the payment portal issue. Sometime our bank was not response or maybe bank issue. So make sure you that your payment method support international transaction, or you might want to switch a different option also. If you still facing issue, just restart your game and then check, then your problem will be 100% fixed. And still you are facing the problem, then you need to contact customer support of a team, so he will be can fix your problem, or maybe he give the 100% solution. I hope you can understand. Do not forget to like or subscribe my channel.